What if I told you? There are things God doesn't just dislike. He hates, not struggles, not weakness, not repentance, but specific patterns, 7 of them. And they're destroying people quietly. This isn't my opinion. This is written in Proverbs 6. It says, there are 6 things the Lord hates, 7 that are an abomination to him. Let's walk through them. And don't listen for your neighbor. Listen for yourself. 1. A proud look, arrogance, the silent belief that you are above correction. Pride says, I already know. I don't need advice. I'm fine. But pride is the root of rebellion. Lucifer didn't fall because of weakness. He fell because of pride, and pride always blinds you before it breaks you. 2. A lying tongue, not just big lies, small distortions, half-truths, manipulation. When truth becomes flexible in your mouth, your character becomes unstable. The kingdom is built on truth. If you constantly twist reality, you slowly separate yourself from God, because He is truth. 3. Hands that shed innocent blood, violence, cruelty, harming the innocent. And don't think this is only physical. You can destroy someone's reputation. You can assassinate someone's character. You can crush someone's spirit. Innocent blood isn't just spilled with weapons. Sometimes it's spilled with words. 4. A heart that plots wicked plans. This one is deep. It's not accidental sin. It's calculated, premeditated compromise. When you sit down and design the wrong. When your imagination becomes a workshop for darkness. God sees not just your actions. He sees your intentions. 5. Feet that run toward evil. Notice the word run, not stumble, not slip. Run. Some people don't fall into sin. They sprint into it. They know it's wrong. They feel conviction, and they still choose it quickly. That eagerness, that appetite for darkness, God hates it. 6. A false witness who spreads lies. This destroys communities. Gossip, slander, rumors dressed as concern. You say, I'm just telling the truth, but your motive is division. And every time you spread something unverified, you participate in tearing down what God is building. 7. One who sows discord among brothers. This one is heavy. God hates division. He hates when someone enters a room and plants seeds of offense. When someone whispers, stirs conflict, creates camps, splits relationships. Because unity reflects heaven. Division reflects hell. Now pause. This list isn't about condemnation, it's about warning. Because sin always starts small. Pride starts as confidence. Lies start as convenience. Division starts as opinion. But if left unchecked, they grow. And Proverbs 6 doesn't just list sins. It exposes patterns that destroy lives. Let me say this clearly. God doesn't hate you, but He hates what will destroy you. He hates what corrupts your soul. He hates what poisons community. He hates what separates you from Him. And if you recognize one of these in your life, that's not shame. That's mercy. Because conviction means He's still speaking. So ask yourself, is pride leading me? Is truth consistent in me? Is my heart pure? Are my feet disciplined? Do my words build or divide? Because the kingdom isn't about religious appearance. It's about a transformed heart. If this blessed you, like and subscribe for more kingdom truth. God bless you.